In our last video, we talked about how easy it is to see your mathematical odds of winning on any trade before you place it. That's a pretty cool and unique aspect of options trading, but there are other ways to stack the deck in your favor. Once you understand the biggest factors that affect an option's price, you'll be able to pick a strategy that gives you the highest odds of winning. The first and most important influence on an option's price is the direction of the underlying. Rising stocks add value to calls and take away value from puts. And the opposite is true as well. Falling stocks add value to puts and take away value from calls. And as we've already talked about, there are some powerful forces that influence direction. The first is the overall market. Since most estimates tell us 75% to 80% of stocks follow the overall market, we need to keep that wind at our back. When the market is heading higher, use bullish strategies, and when the market is heading lower, use bearish strategies. That just makes sense, and it's your first big odds stacker. Plus, you want to make sure your individual trades are aligned with the direction of the overall market. And try and find events to trade into that have an historical trend of moving the stock in the direction you're anticipating. Looking at the market's anticipated reaction to an upcoming event is called sentiment analysis. Earnings and other stock performance metrics is called fundamental analysis, while looking at a chart is technical analysis. We want to use all three to stack the deck in our favor and to help us pick the right strategy. Plus, we can take advantage of certain other aspects of how options are priced, like volatility and time decay, to pick a strategy that gives us the highest odds of winning. Another big question to ask in picking the right strategy is, do you want a whole bunch of little paydays, some large or medium-term swing profits, or you're willing to wait longer, perhaps even a couple of years, for the possibility of a life-changing payoff? Those are the questions we're going to address in our next presentation, where you're going to see my 3 favorite options trading strategies to really put the odds in your favor. I call them the 3 kings of high probability options strategies. Plus, I'm going to reveal a special 4th strategy that I call options that never expire. This next presentation is pretty compelling because it's where you're going to see how to actually start making money. So let's get to it.